mean. It may run horrible though. We'll see. We shall see. It's definitely different. This is fucking ridiculous. Jesus. Seems like it's actually running better. Everybody turns for this. This is gonna get me pulled over. It's gonna blow my ears out is what it's gonna do. Like a fucking animal. How many of you feel like you're digging a hole, a pit of money that you're just falling into? No. A pit devoid of money. And this pit actually repels money. Ow.
You're gonna be slapping my nuts.
Ow.
One slap, you're gonna love my nuts.
Oh, my nuts. But how many of you feel this way? And you can't seem to climb out of this pit. The more you try to climb out, the more the sides fall apart. And you can't seem to get out of this pit of money repellent. Every time I do something, something else comes up. Every time something else comes up, the thing before breaks even worse. I don't know. It's just one of those things. I'm in that time, that period, or that little area of time where you're like, oh my God, everything sucks. I have no money. What am I gonna do? And then like maybe a month later, I'm gonna be like, well, I'm going to school, I'm doing this, I'll be good later, blah, blah, blah. But right now I feel like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? That's what I feel like right now. But anyways, that's besides the point. Why am I talking so much and we're stopped? I think that's when I talk most, is when I'm stopped. Oh my God. Everything sucks. Life sucks. No. Yeah, admire it. Oh my God, Bank of America. I forgot like 8 times, man. I just think it's so much to say when I stop. I just want to keep talking, but it's boring. I want you guys to be able to see things moving and driving and riding and rah-rah and then meet, you know? But then when I'm riding, I'm thinking about riding. I'm just kidding. I think it's because I'm stressed about the sound my bike's making, so, you know, I'm a little worried about the chain and shit, so, I don't know, it probably has something to do with that. What am I doing? I don't even need to come here. I'm not thinking clearly at all. Oh my God. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm ruining everything. I can't even get out this way. You know what I'm doing? I'm on a mission around the town to annoy everybody, so that everybody can hear the noisiness of my straight-parked motorcycle. You know why? I'm having a bad day, so you can too. I need to go to Winco. I need to park the red C. The car C. Not the car seat. The car C. The C. Not the red one, but the car one. Guys, that'll conclude my ride. That'll conclude our activities for today. You guys have a good time. Remember, I'm Yamahamian. Ride safe. Be safe. Peace.